Can't really even see it. Yeah, it's Saturn missiles in a microwave.
Walk closer.
I just don't want one to like fly out. Doop. Doop.
Are we done?
Yeah.